Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. I just wanted to share with you a really quick and easy recipe. You are going to need a glass bowl with a glass lid. Go ahead and dump 1 bag of baby carrots into the bowl. They're organic. These are pre-washed. You may want to wash them, but these are pre-washed. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and a little salt to taste. Now we're going to put that glass lid onto your dish. That's really important. Put it in your microwave, and then you are going to hit your veggie setting. Just hit veggie and start. And then let this run through till it times out. And with carrots, you're going to hit this again. You're going to let this cook twice in the microwave on the veggie setting. And voila, these carrots are done, and they are so good. But our favorite way to do these carrots is to wash them, put them in the bowl. That way they have a little moisture on them. Dump a packet of ranch seasoning mix onto them. And again, you'll cook them twice on the veggie setting, and they're done. We steam other vegetables like this as well, especially when we're in a hurry and you need a quick and easy side dish. So if you have a glass dish with a glass lid, you might want to give this a try.